Do you often encounter special terms while researching blockchain technology that you've never seen before? Need a simple way to get up to speed? Have a friend who just started learning about everything blockchains can do? The ARK Glossary is the solution to all of these questions. ARK.io recently launched a new glossary page with over 300 terms so users and developers can familiarize themselves with blockchain terms quickly and easily. The glossary lives on the ARK documentation hub at docs.ark.io. The ARK Glossary has hundreds of terms, not only specific to ARK technology, but also blockchains in general. Learning blockchain and blockchain terms can be a tricky business. Too often, defining one term requires the use of one or more other terms. But luckily, the ARK Glossary has quick jump links to other terms mentioned in any definitions, so falling down the rabbit hole is as convenient as possible. The glossary page also has quick jump links to each letter of the alphabet. We hope this glossary page comes in handy on your journey to discovering the world of blockchain. Don't be afraid to bookmark it in your browser. If you would like to know even more about these terms, check out the YouTube channel of Market Square, the new homepage for the decentralized web, where we launched a video series that goes into more detail about each of them. Our blockchain terms videos aim to educate you in plain English, and they're short enough to watch anytime, anywhere. We'll be publishing new videos on blockchain terms each week, and if you subscribe to our channel there, you'll become a blockchain and crypto guru in no time. See you next time.